Hello, good morning everyone. As everyone asked about, we can't do it in live because we can't be able to match you up in screen presence as well. We are doing it in a video format so that you will be seeing whatever I'll be doing, and this will be uploaded to the YouTube so that you will be learning everything from, like, if you are getting any doubts, you will be seeing the video and then you will be asking in the chat so that I'll be commenting it. So okay, let's start. Yeah, I just opened Blender. Link of that is given in the description, in the chat actually. So yes, firstly, as in the previous module, we have talked many things about the modeling and how you can get the SketchUp model into Blender by using the plugin which I shared you on the link. You will be getting it, and I have shared the drive link of that SketchUp file as well, so please make sure that you will be downloading that. And so let's dive in. So firstly we'll be importing the SketchUp model. Okay, yeah, import SketchUp model, and okay, 1 minute. Yeah, you have the SketchUp model. Just click on import. You got the SketchUp model. Delete the unnecessary things. And firstly, as you know about the shading mode, this is texture shading mode, where you can see every texture which we have placed in it. So basically today we are majorly talking about shading and texturing. So shading and texturing basically consist of, first part will be shading and second part will be texturing. Shading is basically you're not giving any kind of texture to the material, sorry, to the object, but you are giving it a physical property without even adding the image. So let's say for example, okay, I'll be adding a cube. Okay, let's say I added a cube. So now, okay, I'll be making it to screen. Yeah, so this is a thing called shader editor, where you will be editing the materials from it. So click on the shader editor and just click on in so that it will be gone. Yeah, and click on see the material. It doesn't have any material, right? So click on any material. Okay, I'm adding a new material, let's say. Okay, so if you have a new material, if you use nodes, there is a small thing called use nodes. Please click on it so that you will be seeing it. So this is the principal BSDF shader. Like, this has everything that you want to actually shade it. Shading is basically you are giving it the physical attribute so that it will be shown on the object as well. So let's say for example, if you want metallic, just click on metallic, and this is metallic texture that is okay. Maybe it's not even visible. Okay, I'll increase or decrease the roughness. Okay, I'll be decreasing the roughness. Yeah, now you can see the metallic shader coming into play. Yeah. So this is how shaders work. And if you increase the specular content as well, speculars are basically the highlight parts of it, where you, if you increase it, it'll be more of shiny kind of thing, right? So okay, I'll be decreasing it to 1. Okay, yes, so we got the metallic look of it, right? So shaders will be working like this. Okay, now okay, if you want it, you can make it emissive as well. Yeah, so this is emissive. Put it to white so that it will be emissive. And if you increase the emissive strength, let's say for example 10, enter, that will be coming brighter. It will not be shown in the viewport, but it will be shown in the shading mode. So this is rendering mode. Yeah, okay, Can you see this? Yeah, this is emissive mode, and here the light is interacting with the object as well. So this is how shaders work. Okay. Yep, I'll be deleting the cube and I'll be explaining you how it's done. Okay, I'll be deleting the basic light as well. Now, okay, let's come out of the shading mode. Okay. Now, okay, I think I've shown you how to make a glass shader. Okay, let's say we'll be doing it now only. Use nodes, just delete the principal BSDF shader and just okay, shift A, search for mix shader and then click on the shader and add it. Now you will be adding two more shaders. One of them will be glossy. Okay, sorry. Shift A. Yes, this is the glossy BSDF shader. Add it to the first one. And also shift A. Add it to the transparent shader. Yes, you got the transparent shader. Just add both of them into it. You will be getting it. And then we are going to add another node called light path. Okay, firstly I'll be doing this and I'll be explaining what is happening over here. Yeah, then shift A, bring up the math node. Yes, I think I have explained it in the previous video only, in the previous workshop only. Yep, so you'll be getting the glass one. Okay, okay, you have the basic camera setup over here which is not aligned to the view, so I'll be aligning it to the view. Just go to the view which you want to align. Okay, yes, okay, yeah, we want this view, right? Just click on Control Alt and 0. You will be getting a camera over there, and just make sure that the rotations and locations will be at the right angles so that you won't be getting distortions. 180, yes, and just decrease the focal length of it so that you will be seeing everything. Okay, I think 20 will be good. Yes, so you got it, and almost everything is set. Now Control A, just add a sun so that you will be seeing stuff. Yes, okay, this yellow dot refers to the angle of light from which direction the light will be coming. And yep, 0, you will be going into the camera mode. Just click on this. Okay, okay, the light is coming but it is not showing up. Okay, and also one more thing, okay, I think I have to add a node, math node. Yes, add it to the camera. Just click on the camera ray as well. Yep, okay, okay, we'll increase the strength of the sun once. Yes, let's keep it to 10. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Yes, this is in CPU. let's make it a GPU, and also denoise, and the maximum samples you can keep it to 30, just you want to see it, right? So yes, and just go to color management and just increase the, make the look of it medium high contrast, and also increase the exposure so that you will be getting the light. Now you can see things, right? And also for this as well, you want to give it an emission material, so I'll be giving it an emission material. Yes, so yes, just increase the emission strength, and emission strength as well to 20, I guess. Oh, this made it a lot brighter. Okay, let's say 10. This is looking good. So yeah, we got it. And yeah, now I'll be explaining it to you, PBR texturing. So what exactly happening is, like, you have the principal BSDF shader where you will be having everything in it. You will be having roughness, you will be having speculars, you will be having everything like metallic and all, so that you will be having the basic shading of it. Then comes the base color. Okay, I'll be removing the base color. See, the concrete texture on the walls just disappeared. So this is what is happening over here. You just take the image which you want to apply it as a texture, and okay, just shift A so that you will be getting the what node will be used on. So just click on image texture. Okay, yes, and just open the image which you want to make it as a texture. Okay, yeah, let's say for example I want to make this cup as my material. So just open it and go to the downloads. Yes, it's there in downloads. Then open image, just click on this yellow color and add it to the base color. Okay, did you get the textures? Yes, so this is how the shade texturing works. Okay, and you will be controlling it this as well. I'll be explaining you the PBR texturing as well in a minute, so just delete it. So I'll be adding the concrete material. Yeah, when you see the concrete material as well, you just can see a plain image on the walls, right? If you don't want it, we'll be doing the PBR texturing for it. PBR texturing is basically like physical based rendering in the materials, where you will be giving the properties of the physical material to it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so we want to create this to PBR texturing, right? So we have the material, like, yeah, we have the image of it. So just open the UV editor so that we'll be seeing stuff. Click on the undo. Yeah, this is the texture that we are using it, right? So click on image and save as. Okay, you can save it anywhere, just save it. Okay, and just go to Photoshop. Yes, open the image where you have downloaded it, like saved it. Okay, yeah, so just make a copy of it, Control J. Yeah, you have the thing entirely ready, and then click on black and white and mask it. Okay, it's already in black and white, so nothing is visible. And you can, if you want to make it into, if let's say for example if you have a like colored image, so if you like, firstly you should make it black and white, and then add add levels to it, so that you will be seeing, just make the yes, this will be used as a roughness mask. Just make the differentiation between the black and white visible, so that you will be generating a roughness mask from this. Just mask it. Yep. And also, if you increase the white part, you will be increasing the glossy part of it, and if you increase the black part, you will be increasing the rough part of it. So I want it somewhat black, because concrete will not be like this much shiny. So yes, okay, and join these layers. Yes, you got the basic roughness mask. And then okay, Control J, so I'll rename it to roughness. Yeah, we have another mask as well. Okay, now we want to generate it to normals, so just go to filter, 3D, and just generate a normal map. Okay, yeah, it'll be showing like how it will be shown. Yes, the basic one is enough, I guess. And also, like, there will be an increase in scale as well. If you want to blur the image, you can somewhat blur it, so that the rough details won't be visible. Yes, I want this much, and the details as well, I think it's enough actually. Okay, delete the some of the detailing, maybe 70% is good. Okay, okay, yes, okay, yeah, yes, this is good. Then click on OK. Yes, this is the normal map that we'll be talking about. Just save both of them. Yes, first one, click on file, export, export as PNG. Okay, I'll be taking it to the downloads only. Just name it as underscore n. Okay, just save it, and then the reference map, export, quick export as concrete. I'll be naming it R. Okay, yes, yeah, just then close it, you don't need this. And now you will be getting those two maps into it. Okay, firstly we'll get the roughness map. Okay, then click on Shift A, you will be just image texture. Yes, open it. Yes, it's in downloads, right? Okay, this is the roughness map. Open image, and you just, yep, okay, you will be seeing a subtle changes in the texture, very little actually. Like, roughness is basically the mask with okay. For this, taking into action will be adding a color ramp. Shift A, color ramp. Yes, add it. Okay, I think now you will be okay. Wait, I'll be in the shading mode only. Okay, can you see it now? Yes, see, like, this is basically using the blacks and whites as a roughness map, so that the white part will be glossy and the black part will be rough. So yes, and we don't need this kind of roughness. I think this is enough for us. Yeah, actually, you know what, I can make this. Okay, yep, we don't even want the speculars of it, right? So it's done. And now we'll be including the normal map downloads. Yes, you can just drag and drop it as well. Yes, this is better. So, and you will be adding one more node, which is normal. Oh, sorry, normal map. Yes, this will be, this controls the strength of the normal map. Normal map is basically like, it'll give your texture small bumps and crevices without 3D, so it's like a fake 3D one. So just add it to the color and just alpha, okay, sorry, color space as non-color, that's it, and add it to the normal. Yes, did you see the crevices, which is exactly looking like a 3D one? Yes, and you can actually control the strength of it as well. Just keep it to 0.2. I think we are good. Yes, we're actually good. Okay, I think it's not even visible. So okay, now it is visible. And now let's take the render of it, so that you will be seeing how this can be done. Yes, going into the shading mode. Yes, these small details will add a lot of realism to your renders as well. So this is how the texturing and shading part of it will be done. And also there is another part called normals. Okay, I'll explain you it in a minute. Okay, even for this as well, we want it exactly like a metal surface, right? So use nodes. Okay, yeah, just go to the metallic, increase the metallic part so that you will be seeing it as metal, and just decrease the roughness part, maybe by 0.1. Yeah, it will be shiny. And increase the specular so that you will have more reflections on it. Yes, done. This is the basic metal chrome shader, I feel. Yes, you can see it in the shader as well. Yes, you can see the reflections which it has done. Yes, yeah, so yeah, we are talking about normals. So normals are basically how your faces has front and back, every face. Like let's say for example, if you have a plane, shift A, mesh and plane. Okay, I think it's not visible. I'll be moving it. Okay, I'll be making it bigger. So if you have any plane in a 3D geometry, this has normal, where the normals of it, the normal part is the front, and the back part will be the back where the texture isn't even visible. Why I'm explaining this concept is because if you want to take the model into Unreal Engine, you'll be having a good normal on the normal topology on the mesh as well. So let's say, okay, how you can see the normals is basically, okay, I'll close this. Yes, so okay, I'll be seeing the normals. Just click on it and just tick on the face orientation. Yes, if you can see everything in blue, like blue or violet or whatever it is, yeah, this is the front part of it. Now I'll show you the back part of it. Yeah, the back part of it will be red. If you have anything on the model which is like red and all, that face won't be visible in Unreal Engine. Basically, Unreal Engine doesn't work with normals outside of it. Okay, I'll show you what it is. Okay, uh, let's say for example face orientation, and I also have another plugin. I forgot to explain you. Yeah, that is Datasmith exporter. Okay, I'll be opening it. Just click on Datasmith export blender, and the first one is the GitHub. I think I have given this in the description as well. Yeah, just click on this and download the zip file, and then the same procedure as well. Just click on edit, preferences, go to add-ons, just and click on install. Just go to the downloads and click on it, and and click on install add-on. The add-on will be installed. After this, you can what you can do with this is basically you can export the entire model into Unreal Engine, where you can visualize it. Okay, I'll be exporting this model with every correction that I have, and then tomorrow we'll be talking about the base. Like in the next workshop, we'll be talking about how you can make a real-time walkthrough of it, right? Yes. So click on file. Okay, file, export. Can you see the Datasmith over here? Yeah, just click on this and choose a file. Okay, okay, I'll show you my. Okay, yeah, workshop, and just make a new folder so that you won't be confusing, because you'll be getting textures as well with this. So just make a new folder so that everything won't be clumsy for you, even for seeing as well. So yes, I'll be naming it Church of Light. Yes, then just name it Church of Light. Done. Open the Church of Light and export to Datasmith. Yeah, it'll be fast. So I'll just open and show you what happened. Yes, this is the Datasmith file where the entire geometry of it is saved, and these are the textures from which you will be getting it. Okay, this is UD mesh where you will be entering it, like taking it into Unreal Engine. So yep, I'll be opening Unreal Engine. So if you have downloaded the latest version of Unreal Engine, it will be like 5.1. If you have the older versions like 5.0.0, 5.0.3, yeah, just update it, because Nanite gave a lot of features for the landscaping as well. Yeah, okay, I have put Church of Light as my wallpaper. You can see the roughness. These reflections are basically the roughness reflections which are given by the roughness map. Yep, it is loading. Okay, basically Unreal Engine takes a lot of time in opening up for the first time. Okay, In the meanwhile, you have any questions, please drop me down in the comments or in the chat. Yes, I think this is open. So so I'll be introducing the basics of Unreal Engine today. So okay, you want to click on a new project, right? Just click on architecture and just click on the blank and name your project. Just click on Church of Light. If you type on space, okay, I think I wrongly spelled church. Yep. So if you give spaces, it will be saying like the project name does not contain spaces. So instead of that, you can use underscore. Yep. So you can also decide where you want to save it. Okay, I'll be saving it in okay plan M only. Yeah, I'll be saving it here. Select folder. Yes, I've selected the folder and just click on create. So it will be creating a new blank project. And also another cool thing about Unreal Engine has like you have the basic materials that are given by Unreal Engine itself, like the glass, wood and everything, which is of really high quality. Even if you go to the nearest point of it, you will be seeing those reflection maps and also roughness maps, normal maps and everything included in that only. You just have to drag and drop it to the like to the geometry. That's it. Okay, this is a bit loading. Okay, yep, we are into Unreal Engine. Just give it some time so that it will be preparing the shaders. Yes, so delete the default platform. Delete it. Just go to content browser. This is where everything of the project will be saved. So okay, I'll be making a new folder which is geometry. Yeah, this is the folder where you want to import the datasmith file. Just click on this. You can see the datasmith and just click on file import. Yeah, just click on Church of Light. Yeah, this is the datasmith file, right? So just click on it, open, and you want it in geometry, so just click on OK. Yeah, you don't even want this lights and cameras as well, because anyway we'll be deleting it, or else you can make use of cameras where it'll be good for the views, and just click on import. Yeah, okay, there are some issues. Okay, good, it's fine. Yeah, okay, this like this texture is not compiled word. Okay, yeah, the main material only. It's fine, we can make it. Just click on materials. Yes, yeah, this is DS I guess. this one. Yes. Yes, this is the under concrete material. Yeah, we'll be making another material for this, but yes, we are in Unreal Engine. Yeah, the issue which I'm talking about will be this only. Okay, you can see this plane over here. Yeah, now you can see this. Okay, this plane isn't even visible. Okay, I can't even click on it. So that's how normal maps, like normals of a geometry, will work. If you have the normals outside of it, they are not even visible in Unreal Engine actually. Yeah, so just delete this plane. Yes. So yeah, we'll be making a material for it. So so in Unreal Engine there are many ways to make materials, but we'll be making a master material. Master material is like a master copy of it. Okay, so just click on here and click on materials and just click on the material. Okay, then yeah, it's named as ando concrete, so I'll be naming it that only, ando underscore concrete. Yes, so yes, you have the basic material. Okay, so okay, now you have the textures as well ready over here. Yes, so just click on the basic texture. This is the albedo. Yep. Yeah. Okay, just this is the base color. Add everything to the base color, and you have the normal. Just send it to the normal, and you have the roughness. Just connect it to the roughness. You will be seeing something over here. Yes, you can see the basic texture. Yes, now I'll show you the advanced part of it. Okay, so yeah, so okay, 1 minute. Yep, get a multiply node, add it. Yeah, multiply is basically you will be changing the color of it. So just click on 3 on your keyboard and just left click on the graph, so that you will be getting a 3-layer constant node. This is the color part of it. Okay, so just click on it and just click on convert to parameter. Okay, then we'll say it as what? Okay, tint, concrete tint. Okay, I'll be adding concrete. Yes, so add this to that. Yeah, you will be getting it. And yeah, I'll be like if you want to control the roughness as well, we'll be adding it to the roughness, and just add a constant. Yeah, just convert it to a parameter. This makes the roughness intensity. Yeah, make the default value of it as 0.5 or something, so that you can see it. Yes, yes. And there is another, okay, I'll show you the process of it. uh, for controlling normals there is some, like, it's somewhat technical. I'll show you. Just click on this and just click on append. Okay, yes, okay, sorry. Append vector, yeah. And just click on component mask, which is another node. Component mask, yes. So you have the, like, in Unreal Engine there are like three axes, which are like x, y and z. So the x axis will be the red one, the green axis will be the y, and blue one will be the z, obviously. So I want to control it from this node. Yeah, so just mask it, use it for the masking, and then append it. Okay, actually, you know what, let's take a multiply node. We'll be multiplying it from this and into the append, and we'll be taking the constant 1 vector. Just take the value of 1 so that it will be working on, and yeah, another constant 1 vector for the normal intensity. Okay, convert it to a parameter. Normal, okay, sorry, normal strength. Okay, G, yes, yeah, make the default as 1. Okay, yeah, this is the basic graph of making a material over here. You can even play with it so that you will be getting what I'm saying. Yeah, make it 1, yes, and just apply it. This is the basic material that will be creating with the PBR texturing, and then we'll make an instance of it so that the changes will be visible on this as well. Yeah, where is that now? Yeah, just close it and click on this and create a material instance. Yes, just click on that, you will be seeing this. Yeah, just click on roughness and click on concrete tint. The tint will be the color if you want. Yes, okay, this one will be visible. Yes, okay, yeah, just okay, yeah, the roughness map is set, and okay, I think the normal one is not set actually. Open it. Okay, normal stem, save it. Okay, I didn't save it. Okay, if you don't save it, it will be like enter over here. Yeah, I'll be closing it and I'll be opening it again. Instance, yes, okay, 1 minute. Delete it. Convert as parameter. see it has one, this has one. Yeah. Okay, just apply it, save it. Okay, I did not show. I know it's fine. Yeah, you have the material ready, just click on it, just click, drag and drop it. Okay, there's something going on over here. Wait. Okay, I think we have to change the color of it. We'll be changing the tint. Yes, black. Yes. Okay, we'll be seeing it. Okay, I think there is some technical issue over here. Yeah, okay, it's fine. You got the color of it. Yes. So you want to make this into, this is the metallic part of it. So okay, yeah, so you have the parameters, actually convert them into parameter. Yeah, this is metallic. Yes, and make it the default value as 1 so that you will be seeing it. You don't need this base color actually, and you also convert this into a parameter for specular. Yes, for the roughness as well. Yeah, can delete this actually. Okay, or make it a parameter. Just save it before you will be doing it. Yeah, and also we'll be making it. Okay, just include a basic color node. Yeah, yeah. Now you can see the metallic shader over here. Okay, we'll be adding it with multiply so that it will be visible, like exactly like yeah, I don't think we even need it actually. So multiply it with 1, and for this as well convert this into parameter so that you will be changing the color of it as well. Yeah, and if you make it black, it will be turning into black. Yeah, okay, will not be visible, but okay, if you increase the specular you can see it. What happened in 5.1? They changed the HDRI and they changed the textures as well over here. Yeah, I can't even see it. Yeah, just so save it. Yeah, yeah, you got the black window over here. I think you have a glass material over here actually, so you want it for that as well. I'll be opening the geometry ones. Okay, okay. There is a glitch in 5.1 actually. Yeah, so yes. Okay, this is like very foggy kind of environment over here. Yeah, So okay, yeah, just click on it. You have the exponential fog, height fog. Just click on the fog density and make it 0.01 so that the fog won't be visible. And also make sure that you will be going into the post process. Just click on the post process, you will be going over there, and just click on the exposure. Yeah, just make this minimum EV and maximum EV and make it to 1. At first point you won't be seeing anything, yeah, but if you decrease the things you will be seeing it. Yeah, and also the sun. Okay, we have the sun and sky. This, like, this is the control for like changing the direction of the lighting and all. So okay, actually, you know what, I'll be taking out the fog. Yeah, just make it 0.001. Okay. Yeah, this is the least one. Yeah, and also it's like fog adds the realism to your scene, so this will be good. And yeah, just go to sun and sky. Yeah, the light of it is a little bit bluish, so I don't want the bluish color of it. Yeah, just click on directional light. Yeah, the light color is white actually, so just change it to, yeah, something like this will work. Done. And yeah, just click on the scene and okay, wait, just click on sun and sky. Okay, not this. Yeah, and you will be changing the direction of lighting. Okay, can you see this? Yes. Okay, wait, I'll be reducing the exposure as well. Okay, yes, and 1 minute. Yes, can you see that? I think it's more yellowy kind of feel, so I want to decrease it. Yes, this can make it. Yes. Okay, so we didn't assign a material for this, so we have the basic materials for it. Just click on content and go to starter materials. You'll have a number of materials over here which you can make use of. I want to use this wood material, so I'll be just clicking it and dragging it. Yeah, we have got it. Yes, can you see it? Yes, right? Yes, and these are the basic material which you don't even want it. And also for the glass, I'll make one thing. Yes, for the glass material, for the glass I'll be taking a glass shader. Okay, for materials, there's glass. Yeah, drag it and drop it into it. Can you see it? Now is it visible? Yes. Yes, save it. Okay. For this as well you want glass, right? Just change it with glass. Just save it. Yes, you have glass, right? Yes. Are there any things that are needed to be done over here? Okay, I think the texture is gone. We'll be making the texture in a minute. Yeah, so for this material as well, okay, Okay, so this is where the problem is. You have the parent material as a different material. So I'll be making a parent material so that we'll be using it like a master material. Yeah, materials, make a material, master material, and just rename it as master. Actually, you know what, we can make use of the master material which we created, this under concrete one. Yeah, okay, not this, close it. Just click on undo. Yes, have this right. Okay, I think we should make it a parameter. Yes, just click on it and you convert it to parameter. Just name it as, yeah, base color. Who the hell? Yes, have the base color. This is concrete tint. Okay, sorry. Name it as albedo tint. Okay. Okay, just want to rename it. Albedo. Yes. Yes, this is done, and the roughness is done. Yes, everything is done, and save it. Yes, now you will be getting new parameters. Yes. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay. Where is it? References. Yes. Okay. This is the default material that it created. Yeah, this is our master. Just click on texture sample node. The base color, you don't have any texture, that's why it's asking for a texture. Okay, just go to the materials, just simple settings, geometry, church of light. You have the textures. You want this concrete texture to be over here, so okay, sorry, not asphalt. You want the concrete texture, yeah, concrete aggregate. Okay, sorry, else you can just take it like this. Okay, just delete this and just apply to the base color. Yes. Okay, what the hell is happening here? I don't know. It's not showing up. I don't know. There are many glitches coming in 5.1 where you can't even see the things. Okay, save it. Will this be updated? Okay, just add another 2-3 nodes as well, which we'll be using. Yes, just convert it into parameter. Roughness, and this is specular. Yes, keep both the values as 0.5 0.5. Default value is 0.5. Yes, for this also default value is 0.5. yeah, save it, and also make this as a parameter. base color. Yes, save it. We'll be seeing what will be happening over here. Yes, and yeah, okay, select this, go to this material and click on master. Okay, this color, I want the base color. Yes, you have it updated actually. Yes. Oh, there are other things as well over here. Okay, you don't want it to be under concrete, you make it master. Okay, no, I think not even master. Oh, I don't have the default material, I guess. Yeah, save it. Okay, in the default material you can use it like okay, yeah, roughness, convert it to a parameter, done. And this is the tint basically, so make it black. Okay, you want it metallic, right? Click on one, add it to the metallic, just change it to a parameter, metallic. Yes, just take the value as 1. Done. Yeah, now you got the basic things, right? Yes, you can have the view of it as well. I think this roughness map is a little bit overly placed, so okay, we'll be doing one thing. Just click on the map and just create a material instance. Yes, okay, I think we should add it, I guess. So open it and click multiply. Yes, add a basic parameter. Yes, this will be into roughness. This is used for controlling the roughness of the texture. Just convert it to a parameter, roughness. Yes, okay, just make it a default value of 0.5. Yeah, you're good to go actually. Okay, save it. Yes, now it is a bit better in compared to the previous ones. Yeah, yep, I think this will be the end of the session where you will be seeing everything. Almost everything is, the texturing and everything is done. We'll be making it a VR walkthrough kind of a thing in the next workshop, so be ready and check out Ranan. Yeah, before leaving, save it, save the current level, and also save all. Yep, before compiling the final shaders, just close it. Yep, this is the end of the workshop. Thank you very much for joining us. and thank you for suggesting a YouTube video where you will be where I'll be explaining everything, so that you can make use of it as well. Yep, thank you very much.